Hey guys, so I'm about to show you guys my little aloe vera garden, I guess, if you will. I didn't plant this, it kind of came with the house. But they've been multiplying a lot since we've moved here, so yeah, here you go. Okay, so here they are. We have about 20 or so. They multiply pretty fast. These two have sprouted up. These two have sprouted up flowers, as you can see. But yeah, we got a nice little amount here. So I figured it's time that I use it and put some on my skin and hair and stuff and get some of the benefits. Because for some reason I just kind of been ignoring them. But these things have so many health benefits. So I'm finally going to give it a try. Yay! Alrighty, I got my first piece of aloe vera leaf that I took from my own little garden of aloe vera. So I'm going to cut off the sides. Well, first I'm gonna get some water and we're going to soak the latex out, because I learned that there's some yellow latex material that can make you itchy or something like that if you don't drain it. So we're gonna do that first. Okay, so I got me some water. As you can see, the water is clear. I'm gonna put this in here and let it soak. About a half hour or so, this water should get like a little yellow, which shows that the latex has drained out. Hopefully that will be the case. So we'll see. I'll be back in a few. Okay, so what I did at this point was just cut the spikes off. I figured that would be better, and then soak it in this form. See how I cut it into chunks? So we're gonna soak it like that. And that would probably help to get the latex out even better. Okay, here we go. Hey guys, so it's been a little over an hour and I don't see any yellow color in the water. I don't see a yellow tint or anything, so maybe this particular strain of aloe vera don't have much latex. But either way, I'm about to go ahead and get the gel out. Okay, so this is what I am left with. This is the final result. I have some liquid gel and then some solid gel. So I'll have to put that in the blender to like smooth it all out. But yeah, I can use it for whatever. I can use it for skin, hair, and all of that stuff. So yeah, I'll probably just blend it to smooth the rest out. And as you see, it's like the consistency of egg whites. Yeah.